Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Garcia and this is a lovely masterpiece of a life. Today we have quite a bit of cleaning to do. I'm still catching up from the enormous task that it was to host Thanksgiving, and everything has just kind of been everywhere for like a few days now, like 5 days, and I have just not been able to catch my breath basically. So the house is not looking great, and that's just reality with having two little kids that are like two and under. So I figured I could do a quick cleaning burst. This video is going up today a little bit later than normal, but I still wanted to check in with you guys and chat a little bit in the comments, so I figured I could still post even if it's later than my regular time. Also, Adeline is almost walking. She's taken a few steps in the last few days and it's super fun to watch her develop and grow. She's gonna be 1 in a few weeks and I can't even believe it. But also with that is she's going into a leap, so it's been kind of difficult to get anything done because she needs extra attention and extra holding and extra love, But let's get right into cleaning. I'm gonna do a quick 10-minute cleaning burst. We're gonna see how far I get, and we'll go from there.
I never thought in the wildest dream I'd see you again. Never dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm all in, and I wonder about you. Cause I can stay till the morning, or stay till the dawn, but just hold me now. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind. Cause right now we're not together and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Yeah, yeah, whenever you're around. To feel you, is it too late to tell you about how much I'm sorry for the things I have done, for the things I never did. But I promise, dear, I'll never let you go. So don't let go, get close to me. Oh, don't let go, get close. My body's waiting for you. I know your body's been waiting too. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind. Cause right now we're not together and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Yeah, yeah, whenever you're around. Whenever you're around. Whenever you're around, yeah. Whenever you're around.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
Okay, so in all reality, that took me a little more than 10 minutes, but it's because I got interrupted multiple times. So I'm counting it as 10 minutes worth of cleaning if the girls hadn't been interrupting me, which is normal. And also taking things back out after I put them away. I put some things away like 3 times. So, but I did get the floors cleaned. I got the surfaces wiped. I got the window cleaned, which they immediately went and put their hands on. But everything is nice and clean in here, and I'm grateful that I was able to get all this done. There's no monkey. Ready for a nap? Your face is all dirty. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you have a lovely day today. I just wanted to insert right here. I'm gonna be doing Vlogmas. So if you love Vlogmas, if you'd like a little bit more of a peek into my life, I'll be doing Vlogmas every day during December until Christmas. So stay tuned for those videos. The first one will be out tomorrow. I'll try to have them a little bit Christmas themed, just depending on what we're doing for the day. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas. Say bye-bye. Bye. Can you wave? You were doing it yesterday. Wave. Go. Bye. Bye.
Sunrise in West Virginia, sleep talking on the front porch, running barefoot to a creek. We learned to drive the van, then we had to hide it from the fishermen. 2 French braids make believing, like my own sister. Our souls weave together, beaded bracelets I won't forget. Friends forever. Counting up our crawdads, both of us 8 years old. Clawfoot tub ran only cold. In the middle of the night, we found baths in the loft with our flashlights. We were together, that made it alright. Like my own sister, our souls weave together, beaded bracelets I won't forget. Friends forever, like my own sister. Our souls weave together, beaded bracelets I won't forget. Friends forever. Nobody's road is the same. Both of us went our own way. Our hearts have never changed, 'cause we got our cabin